Welcome back, everyone, to Swetlana AI Podcast. This is episode 229, and yeah, we've got a deep dive today that is truly, well, mind-bending feels about right.
It really does.
We're looking at Google DeepMind's new thing, Genie 3. It's a system that takes, what, a prompt? An image.
Yep, a text prompt or just a single image.
And just creates an entire interactive world out of thin air. Seriously, it kind of makes you wonder about our reality, doesn't it?
Maybe. It's quite something. They're calling it a world model. And the key thing, I think, is it's not just making static pictures or even just videos.
Right.
It's actually learning the sort of underlying physics, objects, cause and effect, that kind of stuff within the world it builds.
So it understands the world it makes.
Yeah.
It's not just a super fancy graphics engine.
Exactly. That understanding lets it create these consistent, genuinely interactive 3D worlds where, AI agents can learn complicated things.
And you can mess with it while it's running. They mentioned on-the-fly changes.
Precisely. The environment is continuously generated. So yeah, you can modify it in real time. They call them promptable events.
Promptable events. Okay.
Meaning you can, add an object, suddenly change the weather, drop a new character in, all while it's live.
That level of control?
Yeah.
Wow. It really does sound like sci-fi.
It kind of felt like it, yeah.
But hang on, we just had Genie 2, didn't we? That felt pretty amazing just, 7 months ago?
Only 7 months. The speed here is, honestly, it's a bit staggering.
So is this just a little step up, or is Genie 3 a whole different beast?
Oh, it's a massive leap, no question. We're talking much higher visual fidelity.
Yeah.
Like genuinely smooth interaction.
How smooth?
720p resolution, running at 24 frames per second. That's a really noticeable upgrade in how it looks and feels.
Okay. And what about memory? That's always the big hurdle, right? AI forgetting things second by second.
Right, and that's another huge improvement. Genie 3 maintains visual consistency for, get this, multiple minutes.
Minutes compared to Genie 2's, what was it, 10 seconds?
A meager 10 seconds, exactly. So going from 10 seconds to multiple minutes is, well, it's profound. It means an agent can actually do something meaningful in a persistent world.
That consistency must be crucial for actually training anything useful.
Absolutely foundational. You need the world to stay coherent for the agent to learn complex, goal-oriented tasks.
Okay, so the why seems kind of obvious. Infinite digital sandboxes for AI development. But what's the grand vision here from DeepMind? Just making cooler simulations?
Not really, no. They're pretty clear. It's primarily a research tool aimed at, artificial general intelligence, AGI.
Ah, the big one.
Yeah. The core idea is to train AI agents. Give them basically unlimited interactive worlds to generate synthetic data, because finding enough good, clean, real-world data, that's a massive bottleneck.
So this sidesteps that problem.
It offers a scalable, controllable, endlessly varied way to train agents, especially for scenarios that are, impossible or maybe too dangerous to try in the real world. It's a stepping stone towards AGI, they believe.
It sounds almost perfect, which always makes me suspicious. Where's the catch? There have got to be some charming imperfections, right?
No, absolutely. It's definitely got its quirks. It's still prone to those classic AI hallucinations.
Like what?
Well, things like incorrect video elements popping up, characters who seem to be walking backward is a common one, apparently.
Backward walking people. Okay, that's specific.
Or text just being a complete miss, unless you specifically tell it exactly what text to show. It's amusing, maybe, but it shows the model hasn't quite grasped all the rules yet.
Right. So those little errors, they matter if you're trying to train an AI for something serious.
Exactly. For mission-critical stuff, that unpredictability is a big hurdle they still need to clear.
And I'm guessing it can't just perfectly recreate, say, my office from a photo yet.
No, not with perfect geographic accuracy, or not quite there. So, its use for very specific real-world simulation is still limited.
And the cost.
Yeah.
I bet this takes a ridiculous amount of computing power.
You bet right. A ton of processing power, which is why it's currently just a limited research preview.
Ah, only for a select few academics and creators.
For now, yes. So don't expect to download your own personal Genie 3 app tomorrow.
Okay, makes sense. So bringing it back to you listening, beyond the entertaining image of backward walking digital folks, why should you care about this Genie 3 thing?
Well, even with the quirks, its abilities are a really big step. A step towards creating these dynamic worlds where AI can learn complex tasks safely without constant human oversight.
A safe sandbox, basically.
An infinitely repeatable, controllable sandbox. Think about training robots or autonomous systems. They can practice millions of times in simulation before they ever touch the real world. That could be revolutionary.
Yeah, you can see the potential there.
Yeah.
Training truly robust AI. It does make you wonder, though, as these generated worlds get better and better, will we even know the difference eventually?
Or maybe we'll just get used to some things walking backward.
Maybe so. Definitely something to think about. Thanks for diving deep with us today.